Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How was your day? Is it good for you in this new era? Alhamdulillah. Well, let's introspect with yourself, and I have a question. What have you done with your free time so far in this new era? Or in 1 year? Or in this year? Or in this week? Or today? Or now? Now, what have you done your free time? What have you done with your free time now? Now you are watching my video. Oh, thank you. No, just kidding. So, back to my question. You are a college student, right? So you have a free time after your online class. So, I ask you again, what have you done with your free time after your online class? You are just stay at home, right? You are not going outside and hang out with your friends, right? No, you do not do that, okay? Because you have to stay at home. Because to reduce the case of the COVID-19 pandemic, alright, you have to stay at home. Okay? So, back to my question, and I'm ask you again. So, do you use your free time with laziness or productivity? Which one? Do you use your free time with laziness or productivity? Well, laziness can be referred to as an unwillingness to work or use energy to perform an activity. If this feeling of laziness is not countered, of course, it will make this trait even more difficult to eliminate, which will result in decreased productivity. While productivity itself is an attitude of wanting to continue working or producing something useful for oneself and others. That's it, a laziness and productivity. Well, I have felt it, and there is a lot of difference between what I do in laziness and what I do in productivity. It's so different. So, I want to tell you in this speech. Today, I'd like to persuade you that we as college students should be productive, and that will reduce laziness levels in this new era. Well, laziness towards college students is a serious problem. Why? Because it will cause their personality to be bad. This certainly has an impact on your habit of neglecting important tasks. For example of laziness, you are too lazy to your assignments from your lecturers, or after online class, you go straight to sleep. You do not do anything. So your day by day is just eating, classing, sleeping, and repeating again. And lazy people tend to be more emotional when someone needs help from you. This is a very bad habit for you as a college student who has future generation. Well, lazing around is fun, but did you know that being lazy can actually be bad for your health? Do you know? Health experts said that when college students are lazy, their body metabolism automatically slows down, which in turn can be detrimental to their health. If there are still many lazy college students, there will be a lot of unemployment after graduating from college. So, the children of the Indonesian nation will never progress. Then, we will be left behind from other countries. So listen to me. You can start solving your laziness problem productively by utilizing your creativity in this new era. Many benefits if you participate in the organization in your college. You will be productive, of course, and you will meet some new friends, right? For those of you who like to write, you can utilize your creativity in this writing competition. With this, you will get a new experience, and if you win, it's a bonus for you. Recently, maybe 1 year ago, I decided to try new things outside of my major. While studying in my spare time, I started to develop my skill in video editing. Then I started to open a video editing service to all people, especially for students who have video assignments but they do not know how to edit this video. So that's where I work to help them. It may be difficult to manage my time. However, if you do it with passion, good things will always come your way. That's what I did for 1 year to fill my spare time, my free time after studying online. And you should find your own new hobby to fill your free time, to fill your spare time. Maybe you can start with knowing yourself. What do you like? What do I like? What do you like? Do you like cooking? You can start to create a new recipe, and then you can make a tutorial videos and upload it in your YouTube, and you become a viral, right? And many more. You can find your own hobby with your favorite activities. Remember, our goal is only productive during this pandemic. Earning money is just a bonus from our productivity. So, laziness is a serious problem for college students, but there are still many problem solving that we can do with creativity to become productive people. It all can be done if you have the desire to get out of your comfort zone. If you continue to live with passion, there will be good things come your way. While if you continue to live with laziness, bad things will come your way. So, you will do with productivity or laziness? No, you have to productivity in this new year. I mean, in this new era, you have to productivity for the good future generation. So that's all for my speech. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching. Bye.